Mix cinnamon with dish soap and you'll never have this problem again. That's right everyone, this tip helped me a lot here at home and I'm sure it's also gonna help you too. So first, let's take 3 cinnamon sticks, okay? It's pretty easy to find them. And now let's put them in a pot. Once that's done, now let's add 1 cup of water. Now, turn on the heat and wait until the water boils and it starts to change color. And check this out folks, the water has already changed color, so now we can turn off the heat. And let's wait a little bit for it to cool down. Once that's done, let's get a spray bottle. Take the water, which has already cooled down, and let's go ahead and transfer everything into the spray bottle. Next, we're gonna need the dish soap. Here I'm using this red one, but feel free to use whatever brand you prefer. So now let's add just 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Here goes 1. And 2. Now we're also gonna add the juice of half a lime. Go ahead and squeeze it right into the spray bottle. And to finish, let's also add 5 ounces of disinfectant. Then, just close the bottle. And our product is ready to use. But now folks, if you ask me, what did we just do here? This is an excellent product for scaring away all kinds of insects in your house, like ants, spiders, cockroaches, all of them. So you can apply it around the house if you have trouble with roaches for instance. This product will surely help you with that. And above all, it can also help if your pet is doing its needs in places it shouldn't. In that case, just apply it where you don't want them to do it, especially pee. You can apply at the table or chair leg, on your sofa or couch, or maybe the wheel of a car. You can apply it in any places you don't want your pet to pee. And if you don't have any pets, but if you do have a problem with the neighbor's pet, you can also apply it to your door. Alright everyone? So, this is a great product that I'm sure it's gonna make a huge difference in your home.